No, you're not catching this time, mate. I'm learning my lesson. Yeah. The proper chomps, you can hear it.
He likes that.
Oh, you just went for my finger that time. I didn't even have nothing in it.
You see blood on your finger.
And it smells like it still.
Scraped on my nail as well.
He's teaching a bit of manners, I'm afraid. To not eat your fingers off, to try and eat something.
Yeah, because Shadow's the gentle. I mean, he still gets your fingers, but he's gentle with it.
Shadow used to be a lot more gentle than that, but he don't really listen anymore. Where is it? Shadow will eat that off you if you don't figure it out. Oh.
Last piece. Nice. Do it nice. Do it nice. No, that's not nice.
Oh, he's seen! Oh, okay. And then he piranha'd.
Now. It doesn't help that you like seen it as a game because I keep moving it away from him.
No.
Yeah. Hey.
Come back. Maybe palm down is better, like palm out, so that he doesn't bite your fingers off. And then he might learn to.
Right. Touch it. No, this bit's Shadows. That's it now.
He's still trying to get your fingers, Jamie.
That's just blood.